damn it, Bedford, that's the third one this week. All for a fucking taillight? Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch! I'm so sorry, Mrs. Son of a bitch! Alright, she's on. Oh, God. Ow! What? Stop playing with the damn cord! She slapped me! Son of a bitch! So, what are we gonna do? Just leave her hang there?
Billy!
Shit!
Don't worry. I didn't come here to give you another ticket.
Praise Jesus!
Is there a problem?
I guess you can say so.
What is it? Son of a bitch! Joe.
Oh, God damn it, Billy! How many times have I told you not to sneak up on me like that?
What? I just wanted to find out what you found out about the evidence.
I sold out!
You sold out. You told me you weren't going to do that.
Well, it's not like I had a goddamn choice. Now, did I?
Well, I guess there is that.
Don't just stand there, package her up, and go grind her up on the property. I'll be right there.
Well, great going, dumbass.
Oh, I'm the dumbass.
Son of a bitch. If you don't come out, I'm gonna huff and puff and trot my way in. Really? Jim, thank God. Is Thelma Lou in there with you?